Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
There are many millions and trillions of living entities within this universe, and they are rotating in different species of life, 8,400,000 in this way. Unfortunate, simply repetition, birth and death in different. Out of them, if one is the greatest fortunate, he is when given the chance, Guru Krishna Kripaya Paya Bhakti Lata. By the mercy of Guru and Krishna, he gets the seed of devotional service. And if he is intelligent, unless he is intelligent, otherwise how he gets the seed, that is initiation. And if he waters, just like if you get a nice seed, you have to sow it and pour little water, then it will grow. Similarly, anyone who by great fortune has come into Krishna consciousness, the seed of devotional service, he should water it. And what is this water? Savana Kirtana Jale Karaya Sichon. This is watering. This hearing and chanting about Krishna. This is water. Don't be absent from the class. This hearing and chanting is watering the seed of devotional service. If you make it official and be absent from hearing, this is most important thing. Savanam Kirtanam Vishnu. This is most important thing, to hear. Savanam Kirtan does not mean hearing and chanting of any other entity. No, Vishnu. Savanam Kirtan, the rascals they have manufactured Kali Kirtan. So where is in the Shastra there is Kali Kirtan, Shiva Kirtan? No. Kirtan means glorifying the Supreme Lord, Krishna. That is Kirtan. Not any other Kirtan. But they are competition. Kali Kirtan. Where is in the Shastra Kali Kirtan? Durga Kirtan. These are all nonsense. Simply Krishna. Savanam Kirtanam Vishnu, Smaranam Padu Seva. Krishna should be worshipped. Krishna should be heard. Krishna should be chanted. Krishna should be remembered. In this way, you will advance Krishna consciousness. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,